Where art and technology intersect. The brush series is a stroke of genius. With 4 modern mounting options to choose from, you can paint any space with beautiful and consistent light. We set out to simplify your design process. Inside each brush light is the same efficient, long-lasting LED lighting core and driver, ensuring that no matter where you choose to install a brush light, you experience the same exceptional quality of light throughout your space. Featuring a compact form factor and direct AC input, even the installation process has been made to be as easy as possible. As robust as it is stunning, the brush series is perfect for both indoors and outdoors. Housed with high-grade aluminum, these wet-rated lights feature a conical beam that plays gracefully with light and shadow, making them an excellent option for homes, outdoor patios, multi-unit buildings, commercial spaces, and even galleries. Consistent, elegant lighting is only a brush stroke away.